Hello and welcome to the 29th edition of POF, Tallinn Black Nights Film Festival. My name is Massimo Iannetti. I'm part of the programming team here at the festival, and I am delighted to be here at POF TV, Meet the Filmmakers, which is our channel, our TV channel where we meet the filmmakers behind the films that screen here at the festival. And this is a special interview. It's a special Meet the Filmmakers because we are actually meeting a filmmakers again. A filmmaker that has been here with us last year. Uh, his film Silent City Driver has taken part in POF, has been part of the main competition, but has also won the best prize, the Grand Prix of POF. So we are so excited to have his follow-up film, The Muralist, screening this year again at POF as a world premiere as part of the main competition. So welcome, Senge. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I would like to start by the last time you've been here because you won the Grand Prix last year with Silent City Driver. So no pressure.
Өнгөрсөн жил дээр Grand Prix авсан тэрнээс нь эхлэе гэж бодож байна. Гэхдээ ямар дарамт байхгүй шүү гинэ.
Маш их баярлж байна. Өнгөрсөн жил харамсалтай нь би ирж амжаагүй бас киноны прожекттэй байсан.
Thank you very much that you guys invited me, and then last year he couldn't make it because he has a different movie project.
Үнэхээр гайхалтай мөч байсан.
And then
Бид нар бас Монголд бас үнэхээр их
it was a
баярлсан.
beautiful moment, and then he was so happy about that, and it's so happy about that. Yeah.
Тий, Black Knight одоо хамт олонд бөгөөд энэ фестивалда бас энэ премьер дамжуулаад баярлалаа гэж.
He's very thankful and grateful for POF, and then unbelievably good moment right now. He said.
And we are grateful to have
Yeah,
all
he's-
of you guys here and
Баярлалаа.
your new film here.
Бас энэ киноч баярлалаа.
When we first saw the film, we thought the idea of a man painting a giant mural on a wall that is about to be demolished was such a unconventional but extremely poetic idea. Do you remember the moment the story first sparked for you?
Тэгээ нэг зураач бүхэл бүтэн амар том хан дээр зурж эхэлнэ. Тэгээ тэр нь өөрөө зурж эхлэх гэж байгаа. Тэр нь амар тийм яруу уянгалаг гой санагдсан тий. Тэрний эхлэлийг нь ярьж яагаад энэ стори эхэлсэн.
Ер нь бол энэ киноны прожектыг хамгийн анх бол одоо энэ киноны продюсер Хишиг Жаргал гэж бүсгүй одоо сэтгэлийн зураг гэсэн юм жижигхэн тууж байсан. Тэр туужаараа кино хийхийг хүссэн. Тэгээд тэр туужин дээр бол зураач маань зүгээр натюрмортон дээр зурдаг холстон дээр зурж исэн бол би кинон дээр бол илүү том харагдуулахын тулд зураач хүний ертөнцийг арай өөр өнцгөөс харуулахын тулд том ханыг сонгосон.
The story is actually a little novel that the executive producer called Hishig Jargal. She's the one who actually wrote this novel, and then she approached him, and then she was a big fan of his movie, so she approached him, and then the original story was about a painter but painting in the house, and then he thought if it's cinema then he has to paint in mural, so it began like that. Yeah.
It's very interesting that you tell us about the fact that the film is an adaptation from a novel in a way, because I think the film has this great mix of real and fable-like quality and some magical aspects that the film incorporates within a story that is very much tied to Mongolia as a country and to his culture. How did you come up with, what was your idea of translating the book into something that would fit on screen and would bring that magic on screen?
Яаж тэр санаанд төрсэн бэ? Бүхлүүд нь тэр нөгөө новелыг тэр нөгөө дэлгэцэнд гаргаж ирж байгаа тэр санаа нь юу юм? Яаж сэтлэх вэ?
Ер нь бол зураачдын ертөнц өөрөө бас хэцүү.
It's very difficult. This artist's worldview is very difficult one.
Тэдрийг бас яг ингээд томьёолцоход бүр хэцүү.
Just to capture them, it's very difficult to say
Тэд
this is artist.
ихэвчлэн ингээд агаар дээр байж идэг.
They are always in the cloud.
Тэгээд тэр агаар дээр ингээд нисээд явж байгаа хүний хажууд нь очиод очиж иж мэдрэх хэрэгтэй болдог. Тийм болохоор би бас ниссэн.
So the only way to capture them and truly, then I have to fly to in the cloud. So he actually experiencing those artists cloud.
Заримдаа ч ингээд унсан.
Sometimes he fall. Yeah.
Тийм тэгээд тэд нэрийг томьёолохын эцэсгүй болохоор би магадгүй тийм том хан шаар энэ гэдэг юм символуудыг.
So it was so difficult to point out the artist, the painter is that and does that. It's impossible. That's why he chose, okay, his painting frame is moral, and then his symbol is the balloon and so many metaphor he put it in the cinema. Yeah.
Тэг үзэгчид ч гэсэн битээ мэдээсэй гэж бас би бодож байгаа.
And then he wants that audience have this feeling, but not capturing the artist. Cannot point out, oh, artist is like that, the painter is like that. They cannot do that because he tried to make like that. So I have question, but feel it, not say this, that, capture it.
And then I think it's the film is really clear at making you feel rather than telling, and I think in that sense you have a special touch in how you show rather than tell in a film.
Тэг энэ угаас киног нь үзэж байхад бол хилээд ах юм байхгүй дандаа л мэдэрсэн. Тэгэл харуулаад байсан. Тэгэл хилээгүй, яриагүй тий.
Ер нь уран бүтээлч хүнийг нүд чих хоёроор дүгнэх бол өөрөөсгөл дутуу. Зөвхөн мэдрэх нь хамгийн гайхалтай.
So it's a very very how to say, it's a very short sight if you think that you can capture artists with ear and then with words, with eye. To completely understand, you have to feel it. Yeah.
Going back to the central character, let's say, of the film, the artist, so difficult to portray, so difficult to put on screen. How did you find the artist? How did you involve, the main lead cast into the film?
Жүжигчний яаж оруулав? Яаж ингэж хэлэхэд хэцүү байгаа хүмүүс яаж энэ синемад гаргачих вэ?
Энийг би зүгээр тайлбарлахад киноны кастинг дүрээ олно гэдэг бол хамгийн том чухал. Тэгээд тэр бол тэр дүрдээ таарсан 100% хүн бол олдно гэж бол байхгүй.
So it's a very difficult to find those kind of cast. So according to him, it's a very important to find the right casting, and then 100% to achieve with it's just impossible to achieve this some character.
Аль болохоор 70-80% олж ивэл хамгийн дээд амжилт.
So the casting has to be perfect. It has to be at least give just the look, the face, the eye, everything has to look exactly the cast, and then it has to be at least 70%. If it's good, then 80% of the movie character.
Хэрвээ 70% юм уу 80% процентын хүн олдож чадвал би 10% дээр нь ажиллаад жүжигчин 10% дээр нь ажиллаад тэгээд сая 100% болж чадвал тэр дүр яг дүр болж чаддаг.
Now if I lucky enough to find the cast that 80% there, then he will put his work 10% work. He cannot overgive that or undergive that. He will give best and then 10%, and then other 10% is from the character, from the actor.
Тэгээд энэ маш их хайгаад би бол Монгол дотроос хайгаад олоогүй.
So it was difficult to find him in my country, in Mongolia.
Тэгээд Монгол одоо үндэстэн ястан одоо одоо Бурят, Казахстан
So he was looking in Burят in Russia and then Kazakhstan, the actor.
хайсан.
So he couldn't find it. Yeah, he tried
Тэгээд
to find it.
өвөр Монголоос сүлд хайсан.
Finally, he
Тийм.
looked in Mongolia in China.
Тэгтэл Баян Өрөөлт гэж одоо киноны хариулагч жүжигчин мэрэгчлээ ийм хүн олцсон.
Then
Үнэхээр яг мөн байсан.
Then he found this actor who is filmmaker, who is director, who is actor in Inner Mongolia. So
Тэгээд би шууд хийсэн кастингийн хариулагчтай энэ хүнийг олж ирэх юм бол энэ кино хийгднэ гэсэн.
and then I just ordered to my cast director, find him. Without him, nothing will happen. With him, everything will happen.
Тэгээд тэр хүн урдаас шууд зохиол уншаад Баян Өрөөлт ах шууд уншаад би энэ тоглох ёстой юм байна гэд шууд зөвшөөрөөл өртөөсөө баг 7 хоногийн дараа нисээд ирсэн.
The actor got the script, he wrote, and then okay, this is my character. So it was only 1 week, and then after 1 week, he is in Mongolia.
There will be so much more that it will be interesting and very insightful to talk about in this film, and I'm sure we will have time to do that during the Q&A for the film. For now, I think the only thing I would like to say is to urge our audiences to come and see The Muralist, because this is another great piece of filmmaking after Silent City Driver, and we were so excited to be able to show it right after a Grand Prix at POF. We wish you also the best of luck with this film. You might scoop a prize again in this year. Fingers crossed. But for now, we'll see all of you and our audiences at the world premiere of the film, and we'll be able to discuss more about the film.
Yes.
For now, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.